Hi everyone, welcome to another video. So in this video we'll be talking about this helmet stand from the company named Ridetek. So this is their details. You can follow them in Instagram, Facebook, and you can check out their website as well. So this is a made in India product. So coming to the specification part, this helmet holder supports all types of helmet. If it's a modular helmet, off-road helmet and any open face helmet. So it comes with a screw hole in case if the surface is not smooth enough, you have a drill option where you can put a screw. So this is very simple and easy to install, which I'll be showing it now. So coming to the design part, it's very minimalistic design and it supports all types of helmet. And this holder can hold up to 2.4 kilograms. So apart from this, I would recommend this product wherever you have less space and you don't want to drill more holes in your wall. You can use this product and it looks very simple and neat. So now let's move on to the unboxing part. So this is an instruction manual where it shows how to install it. Keep it aside. So this is the main helmet stand. It's like this, I guess. This is their branding. So apart from in this box we have all this. So this have to see what it is. Then you get a screw in case if the surface is very smooth and this is not sticky, right? So you have an option to drill hole where this is the option to put the screw. Then this is the wipe where you need to wipe the surface before sticking it, and this is the screw part. Let's move on to the installation part. So now I'm planning to put this mount here. So what I'm doing first is they have provided me a lens wipes. So I'll see where I have to mount it and they'll take these wipes and clean it here. So if your surface is very smooth, what you can do is you have an option to drill as well. So this is the mount. So in case if you don't want to drill anything, you have an option of removing this tape and sticking directly, which I'm doing it now. And if you want to drill, you have an option here. You can drill here. So let me remove this and I'll show it to you. Now what I have done is I have removed the red tape. So now you can see it. The adhesive is there. So now make sure you place it very straight. So let's keep it here. And just press it for some, hold it for some time so that it sticks properly. Yeah, I think it's done now. Now I'll get my helmet and I'll just mount it and show it to you. Now I'll show how to mount the helmet. So this is the helmet which I'm mounting. This is from company named Royal Enfield. So what you have to do is just take this helmet, just place it here. Yeah, that's it guys. It's a very simple and easy process. As you can see, it mounts really well and there is no shaky movement. Let me show another helmet. So now I'm mounting this helmet from the axle. You repeat the same procedure, just you have to lift it, just put it up like this and leave it. Yeah. Now you can see the helmet is mounted really well and it holds the weight as well. And it's easy to remove, just you have to lift it up. That's it. So for additional safety, what you can do is you can put a screw as well. So that's it for the video guys. If you have any queries, please comment down below and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.